Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. It works! Hey guys, Sean here, and this is a video update on the current status of my 12.8-inch Tesla style screen. If you have been following my channel, you know that I've encountered a few problems with it, mainly because of the firmware update that the manufacturer gave me to install to apparently fix my problems for this screen, one of them being the reverse sensor, but obviously that didn't work out, resulting in my entire screen totally breaking. So what they did was they sent me a new core board for me to change, and here is a video of me tearing it down. Now there were two parts to this unit. One is the screen you see here, and the other part being where the core board sits. I made a mistake by tearing down the screen, as you can see here. I thought I'd show you this anyway. I think it's quite interesting to see what's in the unit itself. So this video is going to be about me just tearing the screen apart, replacing the core board, and putting it all back together and seeing if it works. Enjoy. Underneath the casing of this screen is a very simple electronic setup. Moving on to the main unit where the core board sits, here I am opening up the entire unit. First, I removed the casing and the side brackets to reveal more screws to finally get the head open. It took me a while to open it entirely because this is honestly my first time doing this. After a few trials, I successfully managed to open it. As you can see here, there is a huge heat sink. Very impressive. I was not expecting such a huge heat sink, but honestly that looks good. But I do think there's a good reason for such a huge heat sink. I did realize that holding the unit itself when the car is switched on, it did feel very hot, so I think that's one of the reasons why there's such a huge heat sink. And underneath it sits the core board that I am going to change. Releasing it from the other cables wasn't too much of an issue. I did notice that it was really well sealed down. It was very secured. I would say I was pretty impressed about how secured they placed the whole unit with proper sealing and also tape. So here I am unscrewing the old GPS cable that connects to the core board. Once that is out, I simply pulled out the old core board. Looks exactly the same. And now all I have to do is reverse my actions again with this new core board. There is both an antenna and also a Wi-Fi cable to it. So I just had to replace the cables where they came from again, which sits outside of the casing. Placing the heatsink back was pretty simple. And here I am just screwing the entire device again. At this point I was really nervous. Obviously, this being my first time, I was really praying hard that it would work as planned and that this is really, as the manufacturer claimed, just a plug and play. So here I am just reconnecting all the cables back to the unit. Just a quick word of update, my car is actually back in the workshop. There were issues with my engine after getting this screen fixed, so now I'm just waiting for the car to come back. The next video will be finally talking about the upgrades that I've done to this screen, the launchers I have been using, and the upgrades that I've done to this screen to make it extra special, so do stay tuned. Moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. It works! It works! Woo! Come on, load baby, load. Let's do this. Don't fail on me now. Don't fail on me now. Come on baby. Come on. You can do it. We are in, guys. We are freaking in. Oh my goodness, it has been a crazy journey trying to get this set up, but I'm just glad it's working now again. So definitely no more. I'm not gonna do any more funny updates or whatever it is. I'm just gonna have this screen as it is. I am gonna change the theme, which I will talk more into later, the theme and launches and stuff like that. But other than that, it's all good. I'm gonna try the reverse camera now first, just to double confirm at least I have a reverse camera working. So let's see. Okay, we have visual, guys. Yeah, still the same issue, but oh well, you know what, fuck it, I don't really care anymore. Only thing now is the radio, but other than that, everything seems to be working fine. Like and subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys again soon. Ciao!